Nimmo was driving to a hotel. He looked at his sat-nav at 1:30 and then saw that he arrived at his hotel at 2:48. We need to work out the average speed of the car from 1:30 to 2:48. Great, so this is what the sat-nav said. So when he looked at it, the time was 1:30 and the distance left to the destination was 65 miles. So we can use that information that was on the sat-nav to work out the speed of the car. Now if we think between the time of 1:30 and 2:48, there is 1 hour and 18 minutes. And we got this 1 hour because we did 14 minus 13. And we got the minutes because we did 48 minus 30. So what we're now going to do is convert everything into hours. So we've currently got 1 hour and 18 minutes, which we could say is the same as 1 hour plus, now this is 18 minutes, but we're going to write it as hours. So it's going to be 18 divided by 60 hours. So it's going to be 1 plus 18 over 60 hours, giving us 1.3 hours. So I'm just going to move that over here a little bit. And that is our converted time. Great, now the question says we need to work out the average speed. Now you might know the formula speed equals distance divided by time. Now we can use that to work out what our speed is. So I'm going to say our speed is our distance, which, looking at the sat-nav, our distance to the destination is 65 miles. I'm going to divide by the time taken, so that's 1.3 hours. And popping that into the calculator, we're going to get that that's 50. Now the units for that is going to be miles per hour. And the reason for that is because our distance is in miles and our time taken is in hours. So we're resulting in miles per hour. So 50 miles an hour is the final answer. So we got our first mark up here for getting the difference in time. We got our second mark for converting all into hours. A third mark for using speed is distance divided by time. And a final mark for getting the correct answer of 50 miles an hour.